Creamy sun-dried tomato and chicken pasta is a delicious and indulgent pasta dish that's perfect for a special occasion or a cozy night in. To start, cook the penne pasta in a pot of boiling salted water until it's al dente. While the pasta is cooking, sauté the chicken breast in a large skillet until it's cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked, add minced garlic and chopped sun-dried tomatoes to the skillet and cook for a few more minutes until the garlic is fragrant. Next, add the heavy cream and Parmesan cheese to the skillet and stir until the cheese is melted and the sauce is creamy. Finally, add the cooked penne pasta to the skillet and toss it with the sauce until it's fully coated. Serve the creamy sun-dried tomato and chicken pasta in bowls or on plates, and garnish with extra Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley, if desired. Creamy white sauce pasta. So, let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. Butter, 2 tablespoons. All-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. Garlic, 3 cloves, minced. Milk, 2 cups. Parmesan cheese, half a cup, grated. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Pasta, 250 grams. Alright, now that we have everything ready, let's get cooking. First, melt the butter in the pan until it's nice and bubbling.
Garlic.
Next, add the minced garlic and sauté until it becomes aromatic.
30 seconds.
We want that beautiful garlic flavor to
fragrant.
infuse the sauce. Now, it's time to add our all-purpose flour. This will help thicken our sauce and give it that luscious consistency. Stir it vigorously to combine it with the butter and garlic. Slowly pour in the milk, little by little, while stirring constantly. This will ensure a smooth and lump-free sauce. Keep stirring until it thickens up nicely. Now comes the star of our white sauce, Parmesan cheese. Add it to the pan and stir until it melts and incorporates into the sauce. Don't forget to season with salt and black pepper according to your taste. Finally, add our cooked pasta to the pan, and gently toss it in the creamy white sauce. Make sure every strand of pasta gets coated in that deliciousness. You can garnish it with some fresh herbs, like basil or parsley, to add a burst of color and freshness. First, we'll cook our pasta. I'm using penne pasta, but feel free to use your favorite type. Add salt to the boiling water and drop in the pasta. Cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Now, let's prepare our flavorful red sauce. Next, add the minced garlic and some minced garlic and the heated olive oil. We want that beautiful garlic flavor to infuse the. Next, I'll season the sauce with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a bit of a kick. If you prefer a milder sauce, you can skip the red pepper flakes. While our sauce simmers, I'll add a touch of sweetness by sprinkling some sugar. It balances the flavors and enhances the taste of the tomatoes. Our sauce is ready. Now, let's add our cooked pasta to the pan. And voila! Our delicious red sauce pasta is ready to be served. Garnish it with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some chopped fresh basil for an extra burst of flavor. One-pot chicken fajita pasta. It's a Tex-Mex twist on a classic pasta dish. So, let's get started. We'll need boneless chicken breast, colorful bell peppers, onions, penne pasta, some olive oil, fajita seasoning, garlic powder, salt, pepper, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, and of course, some shredded cheese for that extra cheesy goodness. Now, let's chop our bell peppers and onions into thin strips. This will give our pasta those vibrant fajita flavors. In a large pot over medium heat, let's drizzle some olive oil and add our chicken breast. We'll cook it until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Next, we'll toss in our bell peppers and onions, letting them cook until they become tender. Now, it's time to add our fajita seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Stir it all together to infuse those flavors. To bring our dish together, we'll add the diced tomatoes and chicken broth. Give it a good stir, making sure everything is well combined. Now, let's add our penne pasta right into the pot. We'll let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Once our pasta is cooked, it's time for the finishing touch. Let's sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese on top. And there you have it, our one-pot chicken fajita pasta is ready to be enjoyed. Lemon garlic shrimp fettuccine. For this recipe, you'll need some fresh shrimp, garlic, lemon juice, and of course, fettuccine pasta. First, let's cook our shrimp. In a skillet, heat some olive oil over medium heat and add the shrimp, cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're pink and cooked through. Once your shrimp are cooked, set them aside and add some minced garlic to the same skillet, cooking for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now, add some fresh lemon juice to the skillet and stir it all together, creating a simple yet flavorful sauce. Finally, add your cooked fettuccine to the skillet and toss it all together with the sauce, ensuring that the pasta is coated evenly. And don't forget to add back in your cooked shrimp. And there you have it, a delicious and refreshing pasta dish that's perfect for any weeknight dinner.